goodbyes don't have to be so hard. Now, how often have we just finished a conversation with someone at the end of a school year or when we're leaving a job or even after spending a short time together and said, let's keep in touch? You might have meant it or you might not have. The fact is, you probably didn't think too much about it. It's an easy out of a potentially awkward situation. I bet you have the memory of this. When you were in school signing yearbooks, they said, let's stay friends forever. Now, most people that said that to me haven't kept in touch with me. It's better to say what you mean every time. Instead of saying, let's keep in touch, say, I don't know when our paths will cross again, but I hope they do. Or tell them, you add a real value to my life and I'm grateful. Or I hope you know the positive impact that you've had on me. It leaves that person with a genuine feeling of closure. It makes you a person of complete credibility, and it helps you avoid the feeling of guilt from lying. And people will remember how you left them. So take out the white lies, the niceties, the meaningless responses, and put a little thought into your goodbyes. And people will really not forget you. Thanks for watching 2-Minute Mindsets. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. I can answer your questions with a short video response. And we'll see you next time on 2-Minute Mindsets. Thanks.